Greetings everyone, it is I, Devon Daddy James Oyen. It's a special Halloween time. Here comes the worst nightmare before the beginning of the especially of the every year of this model of a spectacular. With the Sandstorm physical, it's been 2 years history since October 2022. You know what's something else? There's a 4-ways video on it.
What does you think human beings from Brazil taste of then?
Cock.
I is the green giant.
Green giant.
The B. Does you have a name?
Yes.
My name is Jeff.
Can I have a drink of water, please?
No!
Hello! Hello! Haribo's granddad. Oh no!
Me and Haribo are going to get you in the mouth and in the arse.
Oh no, this is horrible!
Fiddle, widdle, fiddle, 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 widdle, fiddle, fiddle. Oh, in the mouth. It was lovely.
I like that.
Oh, this is good. This is...
Yes! Here we go again!
Here we go.
Oh, in the arse. It was lovely. Why did you do that?
You
It's bone graft time.
Time to go to the Omega. Hello, me name is Kiyu.
43 freaking chars.
Do I even give a heck? Kiyu name is my.
The doctor is here.
Oh, you look like me, mum. Freaking well. Hello, me boy. I wonder what other majestic being I can find on Omega.
Baby chars, oh my god.
So, what do you think? That was a very funny crazy random video. I don't remember about this since February 1st, 2022. Overweight your Halloween for special waste of time. Don't like that? And there's the Hitler plays Scary Maze game.
Die Logik der Fraud. Wir werden den Feind in einer riesigen Zangenbewegung zerquetschen. Er wähnt sich bereits als Sieger, aber sie werden sehen greifen. Das ist der schlimmste Verrat von allen Personen! Von allem Anfang an bin ich so verraten und betrogen worden. So in unserem Staat!